Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. So today's video is going to be my Boxy Charm unboxing video for the month of March. I'm going to be doing this video try on style, so I'm just going to be trying on the products that we got in our Boxy Charm this month. Before we get on to the video, please press the subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when people subscribe to my channel. Now let's get on to the try on of my Boxy Charm. Okay, so the first product that I really am excited to try this month is this right here. We got the Murad Hydro Dynamic Ultra Moisture for Eyes. So it's basically a under eye cream. I actually have the Murad Retinoid under eye cream. It's the one that comes in the green bottle. So I have the cream right here, and I'm just going to take a little bit of it and apply it underneath my eyes. There wasn't like any specific direction. I think that actually says gently pat around the eye cream, and it has hyaluronic acid in it, and I love hyaluronic acid. And yeah, so they already sold me on hyaluronic acid, so I'm just gonna take a little bit and just apply it around my eye area. This feels really smooth. I mean, like I said before, like I don't think I'm gonna see like results instantly, but I really like how it feels on my skin. And I love how it's scentless. If you guys know, I have super sensitive skin, so I can't use a lot of products that have like high fragrance. So I really like how this just, my under eyes just feel so plump and so like hydrated. So I really like this. So I'm excited to keep trying this under eye cream. The thing that we got in the box is this right here. This is the Hank and Henry Living in Color palette. The colors in here are so beautiful, and I absolutely love these colors that are in this palette. So I'm probably gonna create like a eye look with this, and I'm just gonna speed this part through because it's not like a tutorial or anything. I'm just gonna show you guys the look that I come up with using this palette. I really like the look that I created using the palette. I feel like it's very like vibrant, it's very pretty, and I really like the look. So I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna finish my face, and I'll be back to test out the rest of what I have in the box. So I am back, and my makeup is all on. I really like the look that I created with the palette, and I really like how it just looks really put together with like my face makeup on and like all the foundation and all the like bronzer and everything. This is a really beautiful look. The shadows, okay, everything was really easy to work with except for this shade. This shade right here, like this periwinkle blue shade, it was a little bit hard to work with. I had to keep building it up and keep like dipping in my brush, and then it got a little bit muddy because it mixed in with the orange, so then I had to keep going back and forth. But I really like the look that I created. I love that light blue that I have in the inner part of my eye, and then I just like kind of sandwiched it with the darker blue, but it's a really beautiful look. So let's keep going with the box. In the box, another thing that I got is this right here. This is the Project Beauty Hairgurt Almond Honey Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. I'm not going to be able to try this out because My hair is in cornrows under this wig, so I can't try it out. I think I'm just gonna be giving it away to somebody, or maybe I'll try it. I don't know. I don't know if it's made for like my hair type, but maybe I'll give it a try, or maybe I'll just pass it to somebody and give it to them. Also got in my box this right here. This is the Farmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I actually have this cleansing balm in the green formula. This is the cherry version. I can't use this cleansing balm because every time I would use it, I feel like the next day I would wake up with a bunch of pimples on my face. So I don't use this cleansing balm because it would make me break out. But I think I'll pass it along. I actually heard from Kathleen Lights. She was saying in her Boxy Charm, because she got this too, she was saying that there's plastic in this, like it's made with plastic in it. So I don't think I'll be passing this along actually to anybody, because I wouldn't want anyone putting plastic on their face and their skin. So I'm not gonna give this to anybody. I'm just gonna, you know, just toss it. And it smells so good. It's just that the green one doesn't work for me. Can't use this, and it smells delicious. The cherry smells so good. Now the last thing in the box that I got is this lip gloss. This is called Vintage by Jessica Lipskind, and this is in the shade Pink Sequin, and this is a really beautiful like pink sequined lip gloss. Let me see if it'll focus on the lip gloss. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to line my lips and then I'm going to apply the lip gloss. Taking my NYX Cold Brew lip liner, and I'm just gonna apply this. Ooh, I really like the lip gloss. It's really, really pretty. It's like not super sticky. I thought it was gonna be like a super thick lip gloss that like sticks together, but it's really, really pretty. I like it. Ooh. I really like this lip gloss. And now I'm thinking like maybe I shouldn't have worn a brown lip liner with it. Maybe I should have done like a more like lip liner that's kind of close to my lip color, but it's still really, really pretty with this lip combo. Really like it. So pretty. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys liked this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really liked this month's Boxy Charm. Aside from the cleansing thing and this thing, I still have to try it. I don't know. But I really liked the palette. I love the lip gloss, the eye cream, the hydrating eye cream from Murad. It really did like plump up my eyes again. I have to use it a couple times to really see like how it is and how it works. I really love the eye look that I created. This palette is so pretty and it has so many colors, and I see myself like honestly using this palette again because it's such a good like palette, and it has like a lot to work with and you can do so many looks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine, and I really hope you liked my Boxy Charm unboxing try on style, and let me know what you got in your Boxy Charm this month. And my name is Simplykrystelle, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.